asem we na enani pakro no a oto abama no enye de oka no ene na say ya oka ye say wo ade no kura de
regarding LGBTQ plus issues, it remains a highly emotive and sensitive issue even in the most advanced liberal democracies. I explained during my recent engagement with the World Affairs Council that it's not the most important issue we face as a nation. We're still grappling with the provisions of basic needs of education, healthcare, jobs, food, clothing, and shelter.
Yeah. But dishonesty, and you see a friend or now say dishonesty, the Quran, what can I say?
Obia won't cano cray.
One cano cray. Be a GDA or even to me, GDA. Because, hey, yeah, say, a some way, a campaign krumha. A some way, ya could do penso, and ye say, oh, ye mo de Christopher, until ye GDA and Maquine says, LGBT idea, and as a same sex marriage, by idea, a Beijing Trigana. And Kakako, ye pose will be the GDA Maquine. That was the narrative of the year campaign. Now, Bononi, what from who we need power? What from who we need power? Now, can you know? I say, I very, very easy. My president Mahama, because I know that's the mandate. The only one so near 2 million. And they say a man for say a LGBT family values bill no pass pass it into law. Now you control and you regulate it because now me no say you need emra titru bako e Ghana regulate LGBTQ behavior and as a same sex situation in Ghana apart from Act 29 104 it can be about same sex or having carnal knowledge of through that manner. Until they need a pombia regulate sa so by no. And now effort yeah I will leverage yes I say aside the way a bayamra. No abedi president and no so na wunya to be. No abedi president 1 year twem 1 year hwe a man 4 years say ye a dey ba wo si kwaya ka so eya anka aban mum enfambra besi nne ye hu hwe na koka asemo a wo say ade we anya important
but ehu hia sesei mayen
no a wo bi za be say ehu hia na say de no a ehia ye no ensesai ana Ghana for ni asesa ya bepe say okay say bema ni obema ebe ware ni ada ya bepe Ghana for apesa say em pesa ti hwenzi sai say bibia asesa bononi na ye say Ghana for asofo no bompaye di pillow to homa president Mahama koto so sa abre no as candidate koto so I think say Royal House or say hifa dome hono ye no. And then we the Ghana for interest in that swaba say the able home paye anointed a man for say winning power na yen passes our law yen sign this bill no into law no sign panaba they want to me signing it the yen to mano but you better ma they bet me assigning no until no aba say bibi assign a bibi asesa dia na say GDA no say ade no ba be yemra no emu na apeja. But Sabre na GDA na peja say ebenya sa law no Sabre no bomu na say law no ehun hia pacho what be da
David
enti president Mahama person kire say no na issue about survival na eni ho Kufuado abreso
shelter
na eni ho na ehia shelter Sabre na obia wo shelter nto no nkwa ba ye na shelter sem ababe asem enti no yemfa LGBTQ nam so ma no win power no yemfa nto nkyɛn na eno Ghana ha aba asofo kokudam asemi yuntina na o ya asemi bompa no because me hwese me ka me saying the man could do obi atem because asemi so ko person ka do kore pa atem de bebam and say what should that pass obedi nipa temu but atem bi na say bemu asa nipa
restrain no ho kakra
because all restrain no ho kura no a kasa no so person ka no kure mu a atem de bebam
so and then beba so
because enya atwum
CSO no be o madwen say de yenka sabi
enya atwum and dishonesty and no na ma asori no and no nipa bebre nyi didi asori nim nipa bebre nim say asori no ya di yesika pekeke sorry no ye the politics in come she bebrebe ye share edia a change public opinion say nyankopon aka nyankopon ka hwe ye hu hwe na bia dada ne ntro and the sorry them sankanya sa pono hene nka se president MAHAMA'S asem yo kai kura no e se ono ankasa ba o kai friend saying president Akufo-Addo December 7th I know December 6th actually. No, this is December 6th or 5th. Yeah, final rally no Manchagbo na oka say Nilante Vanderpoy. So onka oka Nilante Banaman oka say wanka di ye kura no. Nka no onye na nka say President MAHAMA onya reason beka say wanka di ye. Say enya important. Say enya priority. Say di hia Ghana for a shelter. Nti wo ba ye shelter hina waye. Nti a bibia anya important is obaye no shelter adwuma na waye no ahine waye survival bread and butter matters na o say eno no mu hia no obaye adwuma ahine wa create boro adwuma ahine wa create a enti a LGBTQ na eno no ayemra keke o ye na e de aba no wa sign eno no enya so ko invest sika o bibia
some ampani say yemfa nko mayimra so dwafie
ayedani yemfa nko Ono ni a majority leader. And no say sa embrano nka say they could sign it as it is. And then what is now go board a law crane passing how many hours near the pass here? How many days near the passes ideally?
Big push crowd here.
Masa big push no kura say ye be competitive bidding wade no so kura say no kura be bredo do ye penetrate
so and then baba mampanyina in opposition na wo kase there be enye wompe we assemblies of God nipa na chitafo say there be yempe MPP aban na empese umbisan mampanyina na do na empese oba asente no obenya tumi no be U10 why
I say enenye nka say nipa no onye honest because President MAHAMA dika ka kire Ghana for say ya dwene wo fom ana say wa refi ade ententem ya temdie na odi ye no na sa temdie no ogitubu pa na odi ye adwuma say enene na ansa opetumi a ose sa ade we ono ye Kristo ni nti on tie ma sa ade we nya adwuma Ghana na wagitumi na na opese o ka kire yen say ana say ye ne say ye refi say sa ade ne nya ne pa but enedi o se ehia enyina ono okasa ma enyina se o ehia lesa se ono o de nya ne tumi ewie sa abra de ehia ne so benya tumi nti wonya tumi ewie dia ehu hia bio sa ni pano onye honest
sensitive sene no claim na because o say amama bi ho kro ma ko manim kura no a o mu take that decision ya na edin
amai ben sa mai no muni ho ena ono say o ye Kristo ni nti o makwan we mu ye nsemo a ena me ka say one mompa yansa wo betra no one mompa yansa wo start kasa wo be kan nsemo a hwa akire bi no kasa na wo na wo kasa e atemdie nkwa da so didipa because wo hwe ni maka say ejimi sebi na wo ade no na ehia no na other advanced countries no muni ho na o win power na advanced countries e buy no muni o issues dada say emotive say debeyo na nya emotive sa bre na Akufo-Addo ho na nya emotive ana sa brofo no ono ba ye be president na sa ye de condition emotive no ye de condition ho ye no person o kire ye and no na your problem I think say we should make I don't know say Reverend Lawrence Tete also be demonstrate against the clergy and say they
also be match
because it is very necessary and yes so for now akese no and we shouldn't take them serious anymore masa na wo
and can Williams
masa ye de omokwan na wo aka asem sei na ende sa asem na wo ka ye no bebi a wo gina ka asem no wujina hono na ade na wo kae se emre mu no obi ye the opposite na wa ye fun ehwe na wo no person take you serious what kind of integrity deficitness it is now we mo na our friend say man of God man of evil honestly. A man of evil, because the dishonesty is just so blinding. Me didn't who crab and tiasie. You're born in hope, you're born in pie. If I yes, I am pie. No, friends say a bishop and I also been pie and so called bomb pie to be. Look, when I was growing up, I did some missionary work. Now I almost for about 5 years of my life now, I was doing missionary work.
Okay.
And then I say on that process, now I'm becoming a friend saying a man of God. I say be, and you know the Bible I understand, and I'm a Christian, but I am practical in my view. Say, oh, take a position. You cannot separate your moral life from a religious life, because it is what guides you, it is what makes you who you are. Nyankopon, his essence is holiness, his essence is his integrity. Senka nyame eyo obi a okana nopa no asesa na enyumire kan nopa sa enyumire obi antumi nyinindi. Pajoti I say the consistency. And to one also Yankupon nipa, friends, according to the Bible, we have seen a falling short of the glory of God. Indeed, at this particular moment in the aboniyefo. And to one who could be pepper so be from who say, oh, a man of God. Then it means to say you have overcome by and large, you know, the general weaknesses are the mass of people are echoing. Okay. Now what could do some personal the basic thing say what oye penny na wakasem. Na sa asem no ebre du say ye di sa asem ni be ye adwuma ni emfa anye adwuma na waye fon. Say yankansi wani mo a ebe ya wo say dia wo ye no obi hui. Si yankansi wani mo a ebe ma nipa ehwe wo so eye say wo ya sofo nti omo so sua no omo ba be sua sa so my bone no. So asori ba be a place of dishonesty.
Now that man for no maybe be so bono internet say so to me dishonest in this matter. I was sorry I will bishop wa bokek wa no anointing nipa so onko kusa akunwe na wa kusa akuno e di tumi aba na tumi na ba na dwuma no a o share ni se onko ye na tumi ni ba botumi achieve no onye na untumi nka hwe 50 man
now to na say nipa ni elder wa sorry na say nipa ni bomu mpo no wasabe post social media ka say no ye de obetumi say ni party ebenya tumi na sa party nya tumi na also kan ho na mo enjoy wa sorry ho otio na me bisa say so obetumi dishonest in this matter no and semben ho na wo san ye dishonest wa sorry ho no will be a dishonest to be a friend or a dishonest person. Yeah. And to say if we can prove, which we have proven, say in this matter, no, the vast majority of the clergymen, they are dishonest.
But my phone like my
but what I say, my phone it is dishonesty. And to say approval in this case, say omo dishonest. Now omo no ebe from saying dishonest men of God. Dishonest men of God. O say Ghana no ya ye bibi, and I intentionally told you about my own trading. Yeah. So that it will be clear, say if you are a man of God, no, it's not as if say you are above reproach. Okay. You're not above reproach. It will kasa wani.
Yes, obi antimi.
Maybe antimi kawasem. Enya sunsumu at grade bi no wonya enti wono yen kwasem sa de ne say do my anointed do harm and it's asem and me ehunu asem but before God no we are all equal enti wono wakwa di animu na see lead people no you lead with example na wa ma nyina ehunu say LGBTQ nya de papa na kufa do anka say won sign you yankasa yampo MPP say ehwe Ghana ha na yehu omo a eye anti-gay yan ye gidie as conservatives no e kire say we cannot tolerate that. We appreciate Ghana your culture no yan our tradition no protect the culture until yan yankrofo without even making any advocacy no e say won tiase say we are for our culture and therefore MPP abreso we will see for that to happen. And you know there's a given. And to but what tendency? Any gay for ya done for, any gay for to be done pass with picture.
Everyone and you done for them pass.
Oh, that's as we say a public matter.
And Solomon, I said now.
I asked some make a open crowd to be in a video in the might ashe for ashe. What's our history? Ever my CSA. They are more anti-gay than the conservatives. No problem. I saw for Kujira Mochi Bompire and Amabenya to me. Now and Nano, their President Mahama Kano. So for the Tino or my Dino. Actually say they are all dishonest. If they can take this dishonest tag away, no, and they say best at Yakasach Prema say, Jais I brought for now can. Again, important thing to Obama ono. Say LGBTQ important now, but their President Mahama says all you need say, and say all repudiate sa power now, your man.
Who can purchase into the
other? I say, me person me say, I says 2 million when you know, and so to me jato because a number no so.
And I got to be generous to
Obama. Baby, no, I saw for no. She has often a strategic. Omoko, I say, and you bomb pioneer my campaign or more. Appeal to my sorry money say and Obama way, and then they'll be shown to be dishonest. And to all you will be that all their kumapa. So you say me and wakwa sorry be nobody but pastor and also bishop Ajinasari and the bakuna kano and ye bebre no about namuno. Masa na omakwa kweye sa ade we no a wodi akumapa na ohwe nyankopɔ na akopio. Today no say who say nipa na odi onim no very dishonest. Nti e kina o ka asem bi kira ntie wangasa kan Bible na ti ase because their Bible na ka kira no enye no na wodi ye adwuma no. Nti President Mahama de wadada Ghana for wodi ntro abaji to me ada no nso mo ye tena me ka say ye nimu no se me ka say sa ba we ye hu subida na say me ye di ntro because ye hu no omo ba no mo ka say be one time premium a friend say health insurance omo ka say be one time premium on my omanye e koda ne ye hu asamba ye na Ghana for esan ya ma ye tie ntro no but abededi on many different levels. LGBTQ is just one of the many in trauma the winning power.
Yeah.
A man cry a ma ye bompire say nka more affirmative action na ma mindra politics mu President Mahama edin tro eje ma vote say obey women development bank e wo he intro classic intro hwebono ye ko nsem kakra but wo bisa ennepa say President Mahama waba be 14 months or say 15 months yeah dem pan why ye groundbreaking dem pan why akofado by this time no betuma aka say ade oso obeye ye free SHS no waye amagu fam amanfo enya ho faso but kan de ba ko President John Dramani Mahama waye apart from say autumn gold no then why na gold is so unless say bia obi be convince me say all ban no the gold buy 7 January 2025 no the gold buy and nti autumn gold why ade the gold na wa hadeda the ton gold da o ma ya gold board nyina no na nsusuye wo hon krata so say be gold board ne en friend gold board ye but ye create structure abeboa am leverage a gold to back our currency nap system no ho amount for ya start here ye dey nyoma egu class nti nya dia abakofa ba a copy rather wa copy no problem ye
no wasesane
wasese di wa copy ye no problem gara benya ho fa so nti apart from that no dey no why o ka kire member mbrato ane maba wa Ghana ha say obeye 24-hour economy e wahi and wa kwa kusi omo si authority o se de be no wa pass law bono wa mo unia member ne ba ye salai ekoto aba ema President Mahama omo na benya sa a friend saying authority job no anya na nafo for na ye busia for da kwanya sa adwuma yi entiro 24-hour economy na wahi ene galamsey ye jihu tax wa Ghana ha
MMDC no
omo jihu tax ye NDC for ene jihu tax e che say omo nim galamsey for do inse obekwa tia galamsey no ye de ye sikape omo de pesika enti bosha NDC for President Mahama share say or the AI ana or the AI na be ko galamsey nti AI no ebi ayi ante ase
yeah na bi say free ho
what I say enti President Mahama LGBT asemi on sana no
okay
the same President Akufo-Addo kai wan kan ye
ntono so anka
wan kan ye kura we dey wan kan ye and nya kasa say free na no ba because again we jira so akwakonya to me
right
and it's obey legitimate as a legitimate president there Sasemi on train sign no acting expeditiously said your mo pass go board yeda ko sori e say we are pass we onye ne sa pepepe no sign this way and yes he's a dishonest person on that score. He's a dishonest person and as of one I can who yes anyway a dishonest men of God.
Right. Quickly, me and common first idea we are so here under the big push. Abane say projects ahodo, contract ahodo, send be ya kwan ebetimi akoso kama. Abane use sole sourcing and a single sourcing, and I raise concerns bebre. You are the mrani chese sole sourcing and a single sourcing. Boni bi anim. Should it be a concern? Adia boni bi anim mrano enkasentia.
Tigana hana NDC for catcher say sole sourcing or single sourcing. Actually, the law is single sourcing.